Sunday, December 18th. I'm headed to Whole Foods to see if I can't get an instant offer. 5:25 a.m. My voice sounds hoarse. Now at 5:20, they actually sent me an instant offer, and I was 10 minutes away. So I accepted it. So I'm like 4 minutes away now. It is 8 packages again, which is strange. And it says it is $28 to $43, 4 stops, so really 3 stops because they include the pickup, 36.8 miles. They say it's going to take like 1.5 to 2 hours, and it looks like my last stop, it looks like I'm going to St. Pete. But that's not what I want to do technically. I want to come back out and get more instant offers, but we'll see. So all my packages have to be delivered by 8 a.m. And I asked them if it was busy, and they said that it's nonstop today. So I definitely want to try to come back to get more packages. My first stop is 20 minutes away, and my last stop is like literally 10 minutes from my house. Now I gotta figure out if I wanna go backward like I did yesterday so that I end 20 minutes away as opposed to like 30 minutes or so away or 40 minutes away. I'm not sure. Dilemmas. Boy, the temperature dropped drastically, but with the wind, it makes it feel like it's in the 40s. It really does. So I'm gonna grab myself a coffee because Starbucks just opened and kind of try to figure out my dilemma and what I'm going to do. So I will let you guys know. All right, so stop 1's 20 minutes away, stop 2 is 32 minutes away, and stop 3 is 30 minutes away. I think I'm just gonna go in order, and I can always come back because even still, stop 1 is 20 minutes away. So it's not like it's that close. Because who knows, maybe I'll get like an Instacart order or Walmart Spark order. You never know. Maybe another dispatch, that'd be great. All right, so let's go deliver 4 packages. Doesn't look like it's an apartment, which is even better. The biggest thing I love about delivering when it's dark out at this time of year is seeing the beautiful lights on a lot of the houses. Some people really do an amazing job at decorating their houses for Christmas. So first stop is done at 6:15 a.m. Next stop is 25 minutes away. And we're going to the beach. And if I thought it was cooler out where I am now, it's going to be even cooler on the beach because of the wind from the water. But that's okay. I did decide to go backward. I was starting out going to the first stop, and it dawned on me that the first stop is not only a little bit closer to the Whole Foods, but it's also closer to Walmart that does usually on the weekend sends out a lot of shop and delivers. So it's a good area all around. So I'd much rather be in that area to get whatever I can get. So that's what we're doing. I have to tell you guys, it is not easy getting up at 1 a.m. like every day just to try to get an Amazon block, and again, I failed. I did get a block for tomorrow though, so I'm happy about that, but it has been really rough trying to get Amazon blocks for me lately, and I'm in a fantastic standing, so I just don't understand. But yesterday, like, I don't know, I think because I get up so early, I just get so tired by like 11 o'clock, by the lunch rush, that I feel like I need to go home and take a nap. And then if I take a nap, I end up being even more tired. Sometimes the naps just aren't worth it. But I don't care what I have to do today, but I need to make this money. I just feel like I lost my hustle a little bit, and I do feel like a lot of it has to do with getting up super, super early. I mean, like, even during the week, I'm up, the latest I wake up is like 3 a.m., but it's tiring. It catches up with you. I know you guys feel my pain. It's been tough. It's been a rough 2022 as far as inflation and gas and making that money, but we need to take our power back. We need to go out here and make that money, honey. I don't know about you guys, but I am so ready to take back my power, my motivation, my positivity, and crush it. When 2023 starts, I'm starting it with goals set. I'm going to raise the bar even higher for myself. The standards are going to be up there, and I hope you guys do the same thing too, because you know what? You are worth it. I am worth it. We are worth it, and we do not deserve to settle for anything less than what we are worth. Okay, so this location is a bust. You need an access code to enter. Out of the 3 access codes that the customer gave me, none work. I tried texting the customer through the app. I tried calling the customer through the call box. Nothing. I called Amazon support. They tried contacting the customer. Nothing. They asked if there was a safe location where I could leave the package, and honestly, like, I could just leave it outside the main door. But it's groceries, so I don't know if it's, did this come from the fridge? It didn't come from the fridge. So I could just leave it at the main door and mark it with the apartment number. But I don't know if I should. Otherwise I have to return it, which is fine because I wanted to go back there anyways. But they don't open until, I think 8:30 at the Whole Foods, so I don't know how I would return it, because you have to scan it in to return it. There's somebody right there. Let's see if I can get in. Well, there's an inside door, so I think I might just leave the package outside the main area in the garage on the inside door. I wrote the customer's name and apartment number. Yeah, I'll just walk around. And I did just a little note stating that the access codes didn't work, blah, 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 everything I tried. So I think I'm just gonna leave the package because Whole Foods doesn't open till 8. And honestly, this has just been taking too long. So this is where I'm gonna leave it. Here, by the door. It's non-refrigerated goods, so this is where I'm leaving it. What a waste of time. All right, last stop is 13 minutes away, and we get daylight, so off to bigger and better things. so I turned my apps on, and the plan for me was to head back to Whole Foods. I'm like 20 minutes away, which we knew was going to happen. But then I got an UberEats order at Burger King for $15 to go 5 miles. And I said, dude, that's $3 a mile. I really, really, really want to do, well, this works. Perfect. I really want to do the shopping orders because there's a good incentive on the shopping orders. So that's what I really want to do. But I'm not going to turn a $15 order down in the process. So I got to take my Amazon vest off because I'm not going to walk into Burger King wearing my Amazon vest. Well, I now know why I was able to get that order so easily. They're ordering lunch items, and the breakfast menu does not start until 10. 2 other Uber drivers had this order before me, showed up, was told the same exact information, and they just canceled it instead of calling support. So I'm doing the right thing, and I'm calling support, number one, so the customer doesn't get charged, because I've been a customer myself, and you can't cancel it on your own without getting charged. Yep, so I mean, I got $3 out of it. It's not 15, but it's better than nothing. And now the customer won't get charged, and another Uber driver won't get sent here. Off to bigger and better things. Wouldn't you know, I just got a shopping order. $29.29. Not too bad. So it is 33 items. It says 63 units, but like 35 of those are bags. No, 31 of those are bags, so that's nothing. So really there's 32 items. So I'm gonna head to the store and do my first shop and deliver on Walmart Spark in a long time. I'm so excited. I love the shop and deliver orders. If you guys have been with me for a while, you know that these are my favorite orders. This is as well as Instacart orders, but I'm a shopper through and through, so I'm so excited. Let's go shopping. Alrighty, we finished shopping that order. I didn't record much because I'm on the phone with my daughter. But we are 8 minutes away from the customer, locked, loaded, and ready to go. All right, so that probably took me about 35 minutes. I'm a little rusty, it's been a while. And I'm gonna stay in the area a little bit to see if I can't get another one and continue on my day. I really, really hope we get another one because it was fun and I liked doing it. All right, well, I sat around here for like maybe 15 minutes and nothing. And I've got a few apps, couple of apps on. So I'm gonna head towards my area in hopes that they'll send me something else. It's always the case though, like I wanna do more shop and deliver and they don't send them. I remember like maybe 6 months ago when I used to come up here to this Walmart every Sunday and get bombarded with shop and deliver orders. But that just isn't the case anymore. Wishful thinking. Alright, so I am at my house, definitely tired since I've been up since 1 a.m. Dude, I just literally was like on my street and shop and deliver order came up in the queue, but then was gone like that. So everybody's grabbing these orders like hot flies because of the incentive, probably. Because the same thing was happening to me yesterday. I got lucky with the one that I got because it was sent directly to me as a round robin. But I'm going to sit at home for a bit and see if I can't get some orders, because I definitely have gotten plenty of orders from home before. And go from there. But since I'm not driving around, I'm going to shut my mileage tracker off, and I will be back when and if I get something on any of these apps.